What if the most silent place on Earth is not silent at all?
For centuries, we believed the deep ocean was empty.
Until something answered from below.
Now, we are going back.
Every descent into the deep is a step away from the known world.
Below 1,000 meters, sunlight becomes memory. Here, sound travels farther than light, and silence feels alive. At 4,000 meters, something begins to speak. Nature rarely repeats itself so precisely.
Because patterns imply intention.
Intention suggests something waiting in the dark.
We are seeing a place that should not exist.
At the deepest place on Earth, we expected darkness, not emptiness.
Nature creates chaos, not perfect lines. And it is not stone.
Something has been here longer than memory.
And now it knows we are here.
This is not decay. It is activation.
For the first time, the deep ocean is looking back.
Whatever built this was never meant to be found. It was never a random sound. It was a response. It has been waiting here. In the deep, movement without sound is never natural. Life should not exist at this depth, yet something is watching.
It is changing because of us.
Something inside is beginning to wake.
Some discoveries are not meant to be shared.
They are asking what we see, but the deeper question is, who else already knows?
Because truth can change the world above.
Something older than the trench itself is rising.
This is no longer a passive signal. It is communication.
A door hidden at the bottom of the world. This light was never made for human eyes.
Every exploration reaches a moment where turning back is still possible.
But curiosity has always been stronger than fear.
This space is larger than the trench that hides it. Inside, the rules of the ocean no longer apply. This was never a ruin. It is a machine. This machine is pointing somewhere. And it is not meant for us.
Something beneath the ocean is speaking to the stars.
And perhaps something is listening.
The response has begun.
We did not find this place. We were led here.
This message was never meant for human understanding.
It is giving us a location in the sky.
Something out there is answering. Perhaps this story began before we existed. And something chose to remain. This is not a signal device. It is a gateway. A light that does not belong to Earth.
It is not sending words. It is sending memory.
For the first time in history, we are not alone in the dark.
And someone on the surface already knows what this is.
This discovery was never meant to be made public.
It is not threatening us. It is waiting.
They are not asking us to leave. They are ordering silence.
In this moment, one decision could change the destiny of our species.
And for the first time, the unknown chooses to answer us.
Time is no longer obeying us.
Not a warning, not a command, but an invitation. And somewhere, far beyond our sky, the invitation is accepted.
And just as suddenly as it spoke, the universe grows quiet again. As if nothing extraordinary had ever happened.
Waiting for a future we cannot yet see.
But some messages continue traveling long after we stop listening.
And somewhere in the darkness, something has already begun the journey.
We leave the unknown behind
but it does not leave us. Some doors are meant to be forgotten.
And already, it begins to feel unreal.
The world above has no idea what sleeps below.
But some truths cannot remain hidden forever.
Because once you have seen the unknown, silence becomes impossible to carry.
And far beyond our sky, something is already on its way.
Some journeys end in celebration, others in silence. Proof that the unknown followed us home.
Because the ocean never truly forgets.
And this time, it may not wait for us to return.